Hey guys, so we are back for another video. This video today is about another box that I got called RocksBox. So it is a jewelry subscription and I'm just gonna show you guys what it's all about, tell you guys all about it. So let's just get started. Alright guys, so RocksBox. So today I got my RocksBox. I've actually did this subscription before. I did it back in 2019. This was a while ago, and I actually didn't I ended up canceling it for a while because at the time, depending on the way things were at the time, I said, you know what, I need to stop this. This is not a necessity at the moment, whatever. So I ended up starting it back because, like I said, I really like jewelry. Hence, RocksBox is a jewelry subscription. So this is why I didn't wear any jewelry for this video, because I'm actually going to be opening it up and trying all these videos for you guys. I mean, the pieces of jewelry for you guys. So let's just dive right in. So how RocksBox works is that you pay, I believe, like $21 for it, and then that $21 actually goes towards a credit for your account. So you get like 3 or 4 pieces of jewelry, and then that pieces of jewelry you try it on, you see if you like it, whatever you like, you go into your account and you actually purchase whatever jewelry that you want that's inside the box. So what I like about it is that that $21 that you initially paid for this month's box is actually goes towards a purchase of your jewelry, and then the difference, of course, you pay for whatever. So they send it to you in a little package like this, right? So you, of course, you open it up. This is what the box looks like. This actually looks different. They used to do it differently. This is what the box looks like. Super cute, nice little vibrant colors. I like that. I like that. Right? So I open it up and like it says, okay, time to shine. How cute is that? Time to shine. It tells me the 3 pieces of jewelry that I got. And then right, and this is introducing Rockstar Rewards, our new member rewards program. Okay, I guess that's the little sticky there, rewards program. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm so like, I don't want to just, I'm probably gonna end up ripping it anyway. All right, so I open up the box, and it looks like they have these cute little pouches in here. So it's like one little pouch, and let me move this over. Let me not mess up my pumpkin, right? It got one little pouch, then it got another little pouch, and it has another pouch. And the jewelry that you don't want, you send it back. So, and they give you the label and everything, and you could reuse the packaging that they sent it in, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly. I'm gonna do the whole thing, because I'm gonna decide exactly which one I want. So I'm gonna put this on the side. So my little thing shows me that I got 3 little pieces of jewelry. I got a ring, I got a necklace, and I got earrings. So we're gonna try on all 3. So this one is, it says RocksBox, so maybe this is a RocksBox brand product. Oh, and this is a cute little pair of earrings right here, and it actually tells you the price. So these earrings are $31. That's how much these earrings are. They're $31, and I'm gonna pull it out, show you guys a little bit of a close-up. So these are what these earrings are. 31 bucks. Like these nice little gold, looks like like abstract kind of earrings, like studs. So I'm gonna try these on. These are cute. I'm a gold person, so I'm definitely gonna get jewelry that is gold. So I'm gonna try these on. Now I wish I could see myself. I think I'm gonna get my other phone just so I could see myself, guys. Okay, so these are earrings. Just to give you guys a little bit of a close-up. These are the earrings. These are what they look like. Super cute, right? That's what they look like. Okay, so these are really cute. I like them. I like them a lot. These are nice. These are really nice. All right, so you guys can see, right? This is what these earrings look like. Super cute. I like them a lot. I like them a lot. So, I don't know. I'm contemplating. I might keep these. I think I might keep these, guys. I might keep these. So, I'm going to leave them on. just to put them onto the side, right? Because it looks like I got a set of 3 different things. And then what else did I get here? I got a oh, I got a ring. Oh, this ring is pretty. What size? Does it say what size it is? It doesn't say what size. Oh, I think it's a size 7. I think it's a size 7. Let me. Yeah, I think it's a size 7. I didn't even do my nails, guys. I didn't do my. So, but this is what the ring looks like. This is what it looks like. Right? This is a pretty ring. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, because how much is it? It's 59, 60 bucks. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this ring. That's a lot of money for a ring. This is nice. It's nice though. Like, it's really nice. And it goes right with the earrings. This is nice, guys. So I think, yeah, so I'm gonna leave the ring on for now. And then last but not least, I got in this last pouch is I got a pair of earrings. Ooh, these are pretty. Wow, these are pretty, guys. So these are the earrings. Right? These are the earrings. And I'm gonna try them on. I might keep these earrings. I mean, this neck. Guys, I said earrings. Oh my God. I mean necklace. You see what's going on here? So this necklace is $63, guys. Wow. But it's gorgeous. Oh my God, I'm melting. This is nice. Oh, this is nice. Oh my God, this is nice, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, close up. This is really nice, guys. Look at this necklace. I mean, maybe should I get closer? Should I get closer for you guys? This is what it looks like, guys. Really nice. Ooh, this is hard. This is really, really hard. I like this. This is beautiful. Okay, so I'm thinking about it. So I don't know. So these are the 3. So I got the ring, I got the earrings, and I got the necklace. Now what I'm thinking is, I don't know if I'm gonna keep the ring, so I'm gonna put the ring back in the bag and I'm gonna send it, right? And I'm gonna send it back. I don't know, but I might keep the necklace and the earrings. I think I might keep the necklace and the earrings, guys. Look at this necklace. I don't know, this necklace and these earrings are winning me. But the earrings are $31, so my $21 credit is always automatically gonna be applied to it. So, and then this necklace is $63. So 63 and 31, right? That is 94. Oh my God. That's 94. Then I get my $21 off of it. So that makes it, what is that? 3, 9, and 2 is 7. So $73. But this necklace is nice. Like, I don't know how can I pass this up? This necklace is really nice. So I'm just gonna wear it for now, for the moment, take it all in. I don't know. I think I'm gonna end up choosing one thing between the necklace and the earrings. I feel like I might keep the necklace, guys. So if I keep the necklace and it's 21 of my credit, so I'm only gonna pay 42. I'll pay 42 bucks. I might keep the necklace, guys. I think I'm gonna keep the necklace. I'm just gonna keep this on for now. Take a picture with it. And then I might send it back. Right. So the way to send it back, and I might send it back. So, all right, guys. Oh my God, this is hard. This is hard. All right. So I'm gonna ponder on it for a little bit. And then I'll come back and I'll decide. So I think I officially decided what I want to keep. So I am going to keep the necklace, but I'm not going to keep the earrings. Even though I am in love with these earrings, I'm not going to keep the earrings. So I'm going to take them off and I'm going to put them back. I'm going to be the good girl that I am and put them back. Oh my God, guys, if you guys hear a noise in the background, it is my neighbor across the street. He likes to sing and make noise Oh my God, like if he's in every emotion possible. So, and he sings from the top of his lungs. I don't know. He is like, when he's ready and he's in his loving mood, I don't know what takes over him, but he just starts to sing. So, you, like I said, guys, if you hear that, hilarious. Okay, so I put the earrings back in the box, right? Oh, this is the wrong one. So this is the pouch that has the ring. This is the pouch that has the earrings. So this is the RocksBox brand. And then this is the pouch that had the necklace. So the necklace I am keeping. I took it off, but the necklace I am keeping. I am keeping the necklace, right? I love it. I absolutely love it. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I have to do to purchase this necklace. So I'm keeping the necklace. I put it back in the pouch. So I'm going to put that on the side so that way I don't get it mixed up, right? So back in the RocksBox, I'm gonna take out the label. I'm gonna put back the 2 items that I wanted to put back. I want to send back, close it back, close this, and which is it? Who? Oh, this is USPS. So no, okay. This is USPS. So all I do is the label that's already on here, I take off this label, and because it shows that it's coming from me back to RocksBox, and I put it directly on top the label that was there. And the good thing is that when this comes, it comes where it's like you have to kind of rip it off. You have to tear it off right from right here. But what it does is reusable, so I can actually put the box back. Put the box back in there, right, and tear off this piece, and then close it back. So then this just means that it is ready to go back to RocksBox, and these are the jewelry items that I did not want. And then here is my necklace. So my necklace I am keeping. The necklace I'm keeping. So I'm going to show you guys right now when it's time to purchase what I do online, right? So here we go. All right, guys, as you guys can see, I'm on my RocksBox website. So you can actually see, of course, the products, the current set that I have, which is the ring. And then I'm going to go to my actual full set. So I have the ring here, then I have the necklace, and then I have the earrings, right? So you see all 3 of them there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to unclick the items that I'm not going to get. So I unclick the ring, I kept the necklace, and I'm going to unclick the earrings now, right? And then you see my total now, it reduces down to the price that I'm going to pay, which is a difference of my 21 credit. And of course I have a $5 forever credit. So I get click purchase, buy that one piece. When I click buy that one piece, of course it shows the purchase is complete. Once the purchase is complete, right, it says my set is confirmed, and the ring and the earrings are blurred out. Now it shows $0 as I didn't even buy that. And you see at the bottom my purchase. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning into my video. This is the RocksBox. Like I said, you guys can easily go online, rockbox.com. I'm going to actually link the video, the website in the description, so that way you guys can see exactly what to do is. Like I said, it's $21, and then you take that $21 and you apply it to your jewelry. And you do have the option to pick the price range of jewelry that you want them to send you, so that way they don't send you too expensive things. So it is your choice. For me, I made my own choice, so you guys can make your own as well. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This jewelry is fabulous. I love all 3 of them. They're so nice. Of course, you guys saw how the whole process works. Of course, please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.